All right, everybody, today we are looking at a Vente hood model CWSH3. We are looking at this in a 48-inch width, although they do offer the same model in a 30-inch width and a 36 and a 42-inch width. You can get this model as a single blower that is going to give you 300 CFM, or you can get it as a double blower model as seen here, which is going to give you 600 CFM of performance. Important to note, our single blower 300 CFM is going to require one 6-inch diameter pipe to the exterior of the home. This double blower model is going to require a 8-inch diameter pipe to the exterior of the home. For all other installations, the duct cover is going to terminate premature the ceiling, as you see this model here. Just taking a quick look at this unit, it is outfitted with dual level LED. And in addition, we have an easy clean system. As we pull down this tray, you're going to notice that they have outfitted it so that the grease drains into this tray. Ventahood's known for this filterless system. It's a centrifuge, the grease liquefies, drops through this hole, ends up in this removable tray. Okay, and the fun part is figuring out which model is going to fit your project. So as you see here in the 300 CFM single blower, we have all these different models. So you have a 30-inch wide, giving you either a 7 or 8 foot ceiling, a 36-inch wide, 7 or 8 foot ceiling, and a 42-inch wide, 7 or 8 foot ceiling. And here we have all your double blower model numbers. So at 600 CFM with 2 blowers, you have a 30-inch, either 7 or 8 foot ceiling, 36-inch wide, 7 or 8 foot ceiling, 42-inch wide, 7 or 8 foot ceiling. We also have what's called a removable duct cover on this particular model. So I'm going to take this duct cover off so we can take a little closer look. Here we see that the blower system is actually hidden, concealed within the inside of the duct cover on this model. Here we have our dual blowers that ventilate into this 8-inch diameter round. It can either go up through your ceiling to the roof, or it can go out an adjacent wall. You can also back vent this unit within itself with our back vent elbow, taking the air right out the back wall. ahoodparts.com, you're going to click on the category Transitions, Wall Louvers, Roof Caps. There you're going to find all the manufacturers, installation accessories, including the back vent elbow, including high flow wall louvers and roof caps. Top right hand corner of the screen, you can click a link that'll take you to our email form. That is where you can ask us questions, lead time, cost, availability. We are awaiting your questions. Thank you.